We don't have a candidate. So we have 17, Aubrey Gail Cunyo. She looks like Darna. Correct. Galing talaga ng audience doon. That's what? Anjanette. You look like Anjanette. So, how are you?
I'm
Okay. From what school?
National College of Science and Technology, Cavite.
Cavite. Oh yeah. Saan sa Cavite? Dasma?
Dasma po.
Dasma. Okay, that's good. So welcome to Quezon City. Okay. Marami ba taga-Cavite dito? Andyan pala yung mga kababayan ko. Diba? I'm from Cavite City. Okay. So, how old are you?
18 years old.
Okay. So, how does it feel to be one of the candidates here tonight?
Sobrang saya po kasi nire-represent ko po yung school ko.
That's good. So, are you ready with your question, Aubrey?
Yes po.
Okay. Candidate number 17. Here's your question. Interesting. Are you gay hater? If yes, why? And why not?
Hindi po ako gay hater. Kasi po, hindi naman po sila hini-hate. Kasi tao lang rin naman po sila. Meron din po silang kanya-kanyang nararamdaman. At hindi po sa atin big deal kung gay ka. Kasi tao lang rin naman po sila. So, hindi naman po sila nananakit or dapat husgahan. So, para sa akin po, ang handler ko rin po kasi ay gay. So, proud po ako na meron akong mga handler and mga sumusuporta na gay dito. And so, proud po ako. Hindi po ako gay hater. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you. Thank you, Aubrey Gail Cunyo. Let's vote for her for Councilor of Dasmariñas. Thank you. Okay, so right now we move on to candidate number 18, Angelica Vasquez.